Hey, this is Mathdoctor, and let's begin with carbon and its compounds. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the properties of carbon, and now we are going to discuss about the occurrence of carbon in nature. So it occurs in free state and in the combined state. In free state, there are three allotropes of carbon. Two are known from the hundred of years, and one is recently discovered. So one is graphite and diamond, and the third one is which is discovered recently is Buckminster fullerene. So let's discuss about the diamond. So diamond is a colorless, transparent, and having extraordinary brilliance. It does not conduct electricity. Diamond is extremely hard. It is the strongest substance ever known. So diamond burns on strong heating to form carbon dioxide. If we burn diamond in oxygen, then in air, then we will find that it will be converted into the carbon dioxide gas, and and nothing left behind except carbon dioxide in our product in the chemical reaction. So then we will pass that carbon dioxide gas into the lime water. We will see that it turns milky, which simply indicates that diamond contains the only carbon element in it. So it is mainly denoted by C. Diamond is denoted by C because it is the allotrope of the carbon. So now let's discuss about the graphite. So graphite is a grayish black opaque substance. Graphite is lighter than diamond. Graphite conducts electricity while and it is slippery and soft to touch. And graphite burns on heating and as the diamond does. So it all again from when we if we burn the graphite in air on, and it will convert it into carbon dioxide gas, and nothing left behind in our product except carbon dioxide gas in the chemical reaction. So then we pass our carbon dioxide gas to the lime water, which after it result of it which lime water will become milky. So this simply indicates that graphite only contains the carbon element in it. So it is also denoted by C. So that's the idea about the graphite and diamond. So let's discuss about the structure of diamond. The diamond crystal is made up of carbon atoms which are powerfully bonded to one another by strong covalent bonds. Due to this, diamond structure is very rigid. The rigid structure of the diamond makes it very hard substance, and it is the great hardness of this diamond which makes it useful for making rock borers, for drill oil wells, and for making the glass cutters also. Uh, Diamond crystal has a tetrahedral arrangement of carbon atoms. The compact and rigid three-dimensional structure of the carbon atoms makes it having a very high density. So the melting point of the diamond crystal is also very high, comparatively 3500 degrees Celsius. So this is because a lot of energy is required to break down the strong covalent bonds held in a three-dimensional structure. So diamond crystal is a non-conductor of electricity because it has four valence electrons which are used up in the forming the bonds, and since there are no free electrons in the diamond crystal, it does not conduct electricity. So let's discuss about the structure of the graphite. The structure of the graphite is very different from the diamond. The graphite crystal consists of the layers of the carbon atoms. Each carbon atom in graphite is joined with three other carbon atoms by strong covalent bonds to form flat hexagonal rings. The various layers of the graphite of the carbon atoms in a graphite are very far away, so that there is no covalent bond can exist between them. So the various layers of the carbon atoms in graphite are held together by van der Waals forces. Um, so that this is because they can slide over one another. Due to the sheetless structure, the graphite is a soft substance. It is the softness of the graphite which makes it useful as a dry lubricant for machining tools. So graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Now, in the graphite crystal, each carbon atom is joined to three other carbon atoms, and the fourth valence electrons of each carbon atom is free to move. Due to this, the presence of electrons in a graphite crystal, it conducts electricity. Just like diamond, graphite has also a very, very high melting point. So that's the idea about the graphite. So now let's discuss about the uses of the diamond. Diamonds are used in cutting instruments like glass cutters, saw for cutting marble, and in rock drilling equipments. Diamond dyes are used for drawing thin wires like the tungsten filament of an electric bulb. All these uses of diamond are just because of its great hardness. The other use is for making jewelry. The use of diamond in making jewelry is because of their extraordinary brilliance due to their great ability to reflect and reflect light. Sharp edges diamonds are used by the eye surgeons to remove cataract from the eyes with a great precision. So diamonds can also be made artificially. Diamonds can be made artificially by subjecting pure carbon at high temperature and pressure. These are called as synthetic diamonds. The synthetic diamonds are small in size but are otherwise indistinguishable from natural diamonds. The diamonds which are not suitable for making jewelries are used in glass cutters and diamond studded saws and drill bits. So that's the idea about the diamond. So let's discuss about the uses of the graphite. Due to its softness, powdered graphite is used as a lubricant for the fast moving parts of machinery. Since graphite is non-volatile, it can be used as a lubricating for the parts of the machinery which operate at very high temperature. So it can be used as a dry lubricant or just mixing with petroleum to form the grease, to form the graphite grease. Graphite powder can also be mixed with lubricant oils. And graphite is a good conductor of electricity because due to which graphite is used for making carbon electrodes and graphite electrodes in dry cells and in the electric arcs. The black color anode of a dry cell is made up of graphite. The carbon brushes of electric motor are also made up of graphite. Graphite is used for making the cores of our pencil called pencil leads and black paints. Graphite is black in color and quite soft, so it marks black lines on paper. Due to this property, graphite is used for making the black cores of our pencils called pencil leads. And for making pencil leads, graphite is mixed with clay. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. See you in the next video. Thank you to all of you.